Hey everyone, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we're reviewing a product from TORRAS, a company that we've reviewed before, and this one is called the, what is that? It says a UPRO case, or UPRO case? This looks like something Scooby would say. Repro? Yeah, we're going to be taking a look at it for the new iPhone 15 right after this. Okay, I don't have an official pronunciation on this, but I'm just going to call it UPRO because maybe you don't want to hear me say UPRO again. Okay, according to this is for the new iPhone 6.1 2023, and I'm just going to open it up here because I'm just kind of like that. We've got two of these today. I think this one's, you know what, let's just open it and find out. Okay, so check this out. Now, I first saw TORRAS at CES 2023. That was last January. And we intend to fully go to CES 2024. But more announcements on that a little later. Right now, let's just get to the unboxing of this. Okay, got a nice little sack here. And let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I really like this color. Maybe if you're like really into, say, Apple phones, like iPhones, this thing comes as a good, nice match for it. So, let's get through the specs. Okay, in case you're curious, and you probably already realized this, it is MagSafe compatible. Good thing to have, a good thing to know when you're out on the road and stuff. But, what is this here? Well, I'm no expert, but I'd have to say that's a kickstand. And I'd have to say that's right. Okay, notice that it comes out at a bit of an angle. I don't know if I'm getting this in, but see how that is? Most kickstands, they go out at a 90-degree angle from the phone, perpendicular to it. This one, I like. It definitely allows it to stand like this, or perhaps like this, or even like that, I guess. Although I have to admit the weight is kind of, yeah, you can bend it over really well. But that is a good bonus, isn't it? Okay, I realized I called this the UPRO earlier, but I looked this up, and I believe that this is the PStand series. So, not sure what the P stands for. Powerful stand? We're going to go with that. Okay, and I'm told that this PStand here has some SGS protection, and that's good for 12 feet of drops. Gotta like that. Okay, and I've got a good price for you, and that price is $29.99. That is a very good price for any iPhone case that you're going to get, believe you me. Especially one that is as strong as this one. I mean, you can actually go to other places and you can pay double for that. So what? So we're moving on. And we're going to open up this one and see what's in here. Okay, so if we open this up, we're going to see something that I actually believe we've seen before. But I want to double check on this because, hey, if there's one thing I don't like, it's surprises. Yes. So let's check out this version of the UPRO, which has, also a very pleasant color here. Not really sure how to describe this color. Perhaps I can look this up and see what we've got. But this is, I believe, the OStand. Let's see, I can't seem to find the same color here on the website. That's why I have my computer here. But I think it's pretty obvious why this is called the OStand. It's because it has an O that can be used as a stand. Not bad, huh? Very similar to the PStand. Oh my gosh, I just realized it. OStand. But this isn't really shaped like a P, is it? You know what? Maybe I shouldn't question it too much. So, what else does it have? Okay, let me go through the features of the OStand. Notice how I can just talk like this, keeping it between my fingers pretty easily. Also, and I can do this, and of course, I can do this. Not bad, but I think you already knew that, didn't you? Okay, I'm getting a little bit of confusion as far as this ring here is magnetic. but I'm not sure whether this thing is MagSafe compatible. I'm assuming that it is, but don't quote me on that. I have here listed that it works with all magnetic accessories. So say for example, like I'm actually taking this thing, which is MagSafe compatible, and as you can see, it sticks there. So this thing could stick to anything metal that you've got around, I don't know, maybe you've got a mount or something that could work with that. And let's see, I don't really have anything metal on me to really demonstrate this on, but it is highly magnetic, which is great for, I don't know, say like you're working in a place on the wall, you just go, you know, there it is, you got your phone there as a little display. I'm also told that this has 3 times military grade protection, so you don't have to worry about any sudden drops or anything like that. Ah. Okay, so if you want to get this, you can get it right now on the TORRAS website for about $35.99. Perhaps cheaper on Amazon, maybe. I don't really know. Okay, I actually only expected to review one TORRAS product, this one, but they sent me another one that came just in time before I was about to do the review. So this might not be their end of TORRAS reviews, and who knows, maybe they'll send us more before the holiday season? Maybe not. Either way, we now send them definite compliments on their products, and they put out some really good ones, and it would make a very good holiday gift for anyone in your Christmas list this year if they need a case. In the meantime, I have a lot to review before the holidays, so this is Mark Rollins, signing off.